I would say that I think health and well-being is something that's so important to so many people now that was not necessarily the most important thing for the generation that is living in senior living right now. And I think you're seeing that kind of shift even in your 80-year-old folks that all of a sudden are starting to go to the gym and doing some preventative pieces like working, like getting in a pool, like doing mental health assessments and being able to go to therapy for the first time in their life. And I think that this program encompasses all of that. We want you to be your holistic self. And to Steve's point, like, whatever that looks like for you, we want to be able to answer that, but we also want to be able to resource you correctly so you're not trying to figure out where do I go and what do I do. But for those folks that are already ingrained in that love going to their Pilates in the morning and loving their green juices and are doing all of the things that, by the way, I love too. As a 30-something millennial, like, I love the opportunity to be able to then have more conversations with them to say, what more can we do? How can we exceed what perhaps you thought was the limit? How can we keep going up this mountain together, even though we might be at a summit? What are some opportunities that we have that you don't need to be thinking about? I can, because I'm your advocate. And I think that's where we can win. I mean, it's a billion upon billion dollar business, health and well-being. And, you know, Steve and I have a background in exercise science, which is awesome. So we went to school and are technically what I would call fitness influencers, except you don't know who to trust who a fitness influencer is anymore, right? And so being able to also weed through the crap to say, we are your trusted people. We are the people that know what is best for you as someone that is aging in place in your home. Be with us, because we promise that we'll resource you and we'll be there with you. And who knows, we'll probably go to a Pilates class with you too, because we're that invested in who you are and how you would like to continue to live your life.